Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell niche educational ebooks that can generate $100 per day, and you can create each ebook in under 2 hours. We are going to create focused, helpful, problem-solving guides that people are actively searching for right now. If you've been thinking about building passive income online but felt overwhelmed by writing a full book, this is going to change how you see self-publishing completely. The key to making this work is understanding one simple idea. You are not writing a 300-page masterpiece. You are creating a niche educational guide that solves one clear problem for one specific group of people. And that's it. When you narrow the focus, everything becomes faster, easier, and more profitable. And to speed up the entire creation process, we are going to use a tool called Designrr. It handles formatting, layout, and structure so you can focus on delivering value. Please click the link in the description and grab a one-time lifetime offer which has no monthly subscriptions so that you can create unlimited ebooks quickly and professionally. The 3 niches we are focusing on today are personal finance, digital skills, and the third one is health and wellness, which are absolute money makers because these are evergreen topics with desperate buyers. Someone struggling with debt wants solutions right now. Someone trying to learn social media marketing needs a clear roadmap today. Someone dealing with anxiety or weight issues is searching for answers right this moment. Now, within these broad categories, you need to narrow it down and get specific. For example, in personal finance, instead of writing a general book like how to save money, you could create something simple and clear like 30-day emergency fund plan for single parents. And in digital skills, rather than Instagram marketing, go for how local businesses can grow with Instagram Reels. Or 50 ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts for freelance writers. In health and wellness, instead of healthy living tips, think about 15-minute meal prep for busy professionals or simple office exercises for desk workers. The key is to focus on a specific person with one clear problem and offer a simple solution. That's what really sells. Once you've chosen your niche and narrowed it down, the next step is validation. Go to Amazon and type your idea into the search bar. Look at the autocomplete suggestions. Amazon literally tells you what people are searching for. Then click into books that appear and check their bestseller rank. If you see books under 100,000 in rank with fewer than 200 reviews, that's a good sign. It means people are buying, but the competition isn't impossible. Now let's talk about creating your ebook in under 2 hours using Designrr. Once you log into Designrr, click Create New Project. Choose to start writing from a blank document or import from Google Docs if you've drafted something quickly. If you're starting from scratch, you can use Designrr's AI assistants to generate an outline. This alone can save you 30 to 45 minutes. Here's the simple structure I recommend for niche educational guides. Start with a short introduction explaining who the book is for and what problem it solves. Keep this to 1 page. Then create a fundamentals section where you explain basic concepts the reader needs to understand. Break the solution into clear step-by-step actionable sections. Each section should be simple, practical, and easy to implement. Finally, include a troubleshooting or common mistakes section. That's what makes your guide feel complete, valuable, and premium. And to make things even easier, I've created a free template that gives you this exact structure ready to use. It will guide you step by step in building your own niche educational guide quickly and confidently. Click the link in the description and download the template now and start creating your first profitable ebook today. Since this is educational content, clarity is everything. Use short paragraphs, use bullet points, use numbered steps, keep sentences simple. Remember, your goal is to help someone implement quickly. Most successful niche ebooks are between 15 and 30 pages. That is absolutely manageable within 2 hours if you stay focused. Inside Designer, once your content is written or imported, choose a clean professional template. Do not overcomplicate the design. Simple fonts, good spacing, and consistent headings make your book look professional. Designer automatically formats your table of contents, aligns your margins, and ensures your layout looks polished. This is where you save time. Instead of manually formatting in Word for hours, it's done in minutes. Next, add simple visuals if needed. For educational guides, this might be diagrams, screenshots, or simple charts. After formatting, export your ebook in Kindle format, which is also the PDF format in Designer, and save it on your desktop. Then head over to kdp.amazon.com and click Create Kindle ebook. This is where positioning matters. Your title must include your main keyword and clearly communicate the benefit. For example, freelancing for beginners, a step-by-step guide to landing your first online client. Notice how it speaks directly to the reader and the outcome. Your description should function like a mini sales page. Start by addressing the reader's problem, then explain what they will learn. Use bullet points to highlight key benefits. Finish with a simple call to action, encouraging them to download and buy the book. Keep it clear and benefit focused. Amazon gives you 7 keyword boxes. Use all of them. Think about what your ideal reader would type into the search bar. Use full phrases instead of single words. Instead of budget, write budgeting for beginners or simple monthly budget plan. This improves discoverability. Choose 2 categories that match your niche but are not overly competitive. Then upload your manuscript and preview it carefully. Make sure formatting looks clean, headings are aligned, and the table of content works. When it comes to pricing, I recommend setting your price for niche educational guides at $9.99. At this price, you can earn roughly $6 to $7 per sale with Amazon's royalty structure. And to make $100 per day, you would need to sell about 15 books daily. The real power of this strategy comes from repetition. Your first book teaches you the process. Your second book takes less time. And by the time you have 5 or 10 guides, you're building a small digital library that works for you 24/7, generating consistent monthly income, and each book becomes an asset. The beauty of using Designer is speed and simplicity. You're not struggling with formatting. You're not hiring designers. You're not spending weeks learning complicated publishing software. You focus on solving problems. Designer handles the technical side. Please click the Designer link in the description and grab their one-time lifetime offer with no monthly subscriptions so that you can create unlimited ebooks quickly and professionally. So to recap, choose a high-demand niche like personal finance, digital skills, and health and wellness. Narrow down to one specific problem. Use Designer to outline, write, and format your book in under 2 hours. Publish strategically on Amazon KDP with strong keywords and clear title. Price it properly, then build momentum by creating more guides. If you stay consistent, and focus on solving real problems, you can build a steady income stream from niche educational ebooks. The opportunity is there and the tools are there. Thank you so much for watching Ruth Finance. Please hit the like button so that this video can reach as many people as possible, and subscribe to join the Ruth Finance community where I share real practical ways to make money online. I will see you in the next video.